Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start with these left hand side doors. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to disassemble the doors so that I can get them into paint. These doors haven't been sanded. All this is just some little door dinks that it has, so it's been fixed. Let's begin. Alright, as you can see, I'm gonna start. I did remove this door handle and I did remove this panel. Why am I doing all this? Because I need to remove the door. Now the handle had two nuts right there that had to come off. Now I'm gonna start removing all the moldings and the seals from the door. All this needs to come off if you want to get the perfect finish on a paint job. So let's just start removing all these, then we'll start disconnecting the wiring and start removing the door. We're also going to be replacing these vinyl strips here. These are all burnt out. I already did that on the other side. Let me show you real quick, but we are going to be replacing them. These are the new ones on the other side. So it looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We're going to be doing the same thing. Hey, you're not going to help me? Right there, as you can see, moldings have been removed. Now we can start sanding all this area also. Have it ready for that paint. There we go, we disconnected it. Now let's unbolt this. This is the one that holds the door open. And let's remove these bolts right here. That one's gonna be real easy. I'm gonna have to close the door so that I can remove them from the other side. I'll show you right now. There you go, I closed the door. Now the bolts right there, let's remove them, and then we can just unhook the door from the latch and it'll come apart. And that is how we do that. Back door is removed. We're gonna do the exact same steps in the front door. The wiring has been disconnected. Now I'm gonna remove this handle. This handle's not gonna be painted. I also remove handles. Why? Because the same reason. I want all the paint to get in there. I already did this portion right here. All we do, remove it right there, put it aside, remove this one, it'll be good. There you go. Everything's off. Moldings are off. The mirror's off. Everything is off. Now, let's remove the door. So we're ready to paint. But let me take you to the back of my house. Show you something. The doors are ready. This is the following day. But it's raining. Really. So I'm just gonna wait, guys. For some reason, every weekend starts raining. And you're saying, why do you paint on weekends? I do have a full-time job, guys. This is my only chance that I can paint on the weekends. And for some reason, every weekend there's bad weather. Jesus. So I'm just gonna wait, guys. I don't like painting when it's raining. There's a lot of moisture in the air. You don't want that trapped in your paint job. So I hope you enjoyed this little video on how to remove doors. But I'll bring you an update. I'll bring you an update soon on the doors. Thank you. Have a great week. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Have a great week, and I'll see you this Wednesday. And this will be it. Thank you. Like always, God bless.